Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk you about what do I need tools to make money from freelancing. So let's go on Google and you can search on type bar. I already searched it. So you can see a freelancer's toolkit. So guys, it has 18 tools. So everyone should use. So I will tell you about it freelancer tools for marketing your skills. To be a successful freelancer, you need to find clients beyond having visible profile across social media platforms like and having the tools to market your business help client find you. Below are the some of the best tools you can use to promote your works. Number one, Malicamp. Starting an email list is a great way to keep your brand at top of mind your exciting clients and also to recruit your clients. You can use your lights list to send a newsletter with updates on the work you are doing or timely topics that position you as a subject matter expert. MailChimp is an option for those who do not want to work with HTML code. The service also has different levels of plans. So guys, I will tell you number two. Its name is Rebel. It's you are a freelancer designer. Rebel is another way to get your work out into the world. Using the platform is a great way to share and promote your portfolio. Rebel is also a helpful place to go when you need some inspiration. There are two preaching plans, pro and pro business. So guys, we have number three tools. His name is Sumo. Sumo works with your website by offering tools to help with things like increasing traffic to your site and bringing user back. The service can also help you build lists and more. Sumo is very friendly for people with no HTML expression experience. They are for pricing option. We have number four tools. His name is IFT. IFT is used by many brands you are recognized including Google and Spotify. The goal of IFT is to help companies increase their customer engagement on a variety of digital channels. The company understands this is difficult for many businesses to achieve, so the work has been done for you using plugin called Applex. You can largely the brands that your clients already use, including their social media, to contact them to your work and learn more about your customer behavior. So guys, let's meet our next video. Thanks for watching my video.